Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start immediately by placing the AirPod on a soft cloth and making sure your hands are clean. This prevents dirt from entering the mesh. Grip the silicone tip where it meets the plastic stem, not the mesh, and pull straight away with steady, moderate force. Once done, set the removed tip aside so you don't mix sizes, and confirm you have the replacement ear tip that matches your left or right AirPod before continuing. You align the replacement tip so the inner plastic ring sits flat against the AirPod nozzle, because a correct fit ensures a proper acoustic seal. Press the tip onto the nozzle with a firm, even push until you hear or feel a subtle click, then rotate it gently clockwise to lock the retention lip into place. Make sure the speaker mesh remains visible and unobstructed. If the tip feels loose, remove and reseat it to prevent sound loss. You complete the process by testing audio playback and performing simple fit checks. Cup your hand over the AirPod for a quick isolation sense and walk to confirm it stays comfortable. If audio is muffled or one side is quieter, remove the tip and inspect both the tip's inner ring and the speaker mesh for trapped debris. Clean gently with a dry, soft brush and try again. If leakage persists, swap to a different size to restore proper seal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.